so excited. I created this look. Look. Let me get you a little closer. Hold on. So I'm so excited. Okay, let me back up. It's a little too close. Okay, so I actually really like the way this look turned out, and it's using the new DoseOfColors DesiXKaty Take 2. Look at the Anybody who knows me knows me. I love DesiXKaty. I really love them. So I already knew I was gonna get the whole collection. But anyways, I saw a lot of like really bold looks out there on YouTube, which is awesome. I love them all. But I wanted to kind of give more of like a really nice bronzy. I would still consider this maybe like a mid-nighttime look because it is a very smoky liner look, but it's using all neutral colors. And look at, what is that called? It is called, hold on, where is it at? Just a Kiss. I kind of just put in the inner corner and kind of like smoked it out. I used my finger and I was super impressed by this eyeshadow because I thought it was going to be one where I was kind of nervous to use it because I thought I was going to have to like either add Flix Plus or maybe like, I just thought it was going to be complicated, but all I did was like just barely touch it and it was so freaking beautiful, and you can really build the pigmentation up, which I thought was so cool because it is a shimmer color, which can get a little intimidating, you know. Even if you're like an expert or someone who's beginning, you could look at that eyeshadow and be like, how am I gonna wear that, or when am I gonna really wear it? I'm so excited. But if you guys want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Alright, look at this beauty going in with our first shade, which would be Basic. It is just a really nice transition color, and it has a little tint of pink in it. We're going to put a wash of that using my MAC 224 blending brush. It's really nice and fluffy. I'm not being precise at all, just wanting to put a really nice coat all over the crease. And then we're going to go in with our next shade, which will be Churro, a really nice warm medium tone brown. And I'm using just a card. You could use tape if you like, but this is just going to kind of give me the shape that I'm looking for because I do want to imitate a wing without using an actual liquid liner or a gel liner. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm not being very neat, I'm just kind of placing that color because we will be placing other colors on top to kind of blend it out and get a gradient effect. Next, I'm going to go in with Necessary. This is a really necessary color, and it is just a nice neutral brown. And I'm taking a clean 117 brush by MAC, and I'm just going to start to kiss those colors together and start to gently blend them out. Then going in with the darker shade, which is Cheens, a really nice rich chocolate brown. It is so beautiful. I love this color. And we're going to go ahead and start to just really get close to the lash line and get as dark as possible. And then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite NYX gel liners, and I'm not really doing a wing, I'm just really trying to get close to the lash line because then we're going to go over with just a matte black using a precision brush. This is just the one by Jaclyn Hill's first eyeshadow palette, and then we're just going to start to really smoke that gel liner out. You want to kind of try to apply this pretty quickly because you don't want the gel liner to dry. You kind of want to be able to smoke it out as well. Once you got it where you want it to, we're going to go ahead and take Chasing the Sun, which is one of their highlighters in this collection, and I'm going to go ahead and place that highlighter under my brow bone, and then I'm going to take that first blending brush and just now we're going to go ahead and go into the star of the show, which is Just a Kiss. This is so beautiful and you can use it in so many ways, but in this look we're just going to take our ring finger. I have nothing on it, it's just literally my ring finger, and I'm going to start to pat it right into the inner corner, and I'm going to build the intensity up. And this is just going to make this look go from basic to a moment. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a gel liner. I'm going to put it in my waterline, add some lashes, and then let's get started with the face. I'm going to go in with my primer by Too Faced, and I'm going to just apply that. I'm pretty dry right now and my skin is not doing well, so I'm going to combine Born This Way foundation and NARS Radiant, and mix those together so it's not too matte and it's not too creamy. And mix those in and start pounding it with a beauty blender. This foundation combination has been one of my favorites so far because I get the consistency that I'm looking for, and it just has really great coverage as well. Now I'm going to go in with my KKW concealer in shade number 6, and then I'm going to top it off with a lighter shade by Too Faced, which is their multi-sculpt concealer, just to get a little bit more of a highlighted effect. And I'm going to start to blend it out with my beauty blender. This is just going to help to give a little bit of a dimension to the skin. And I'm also going to go in with my cream contour, just lightly, to give a natural dimension before I add my bronzer. I love laying this product down before I put my bronzer because not only will it adhere better, but it also makes my bronzer last a lot longer. So this is a great technique to do if you are needing your makeup to last for a really long time, or if you're going somewhere and you just need to look flawless all day. I definitely suggest really adding a cream contour before. And not only that, this is a easier way if you're new to bronzer. You can really blend it out so you don't make too many mistakes. Once we're done with that, we're going to go in with just a nice warm bronzer. I'm using MAC, and then I'm going to go ahead and just really lightly apply it all over the face, all the high points, anywhere the sun would naturally hit. Then let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and use Cheens and also Churro, and I'm really going to smoke out the lower lash. And I'm using a pretty big blending brush underneath the eye because I do want it to really be pretty smoky on the lower lash line. If you have smaller eyes, I suggest using a smaller brush, but I have no problem with that. Going in with a NYX blush called Apricot, and I just want to add a really nice peachy tone to it because I am pretty warm. I want to keep this whole look really nice and warm and smoky. Go ahead and add one of my new favorite setting sprays by Lancome. And moving on to the lips, oh yes girl, we are going to go in with Palladio's lip liner, and this is the shade Natural. And I'm overlining my lips, just really placing that darker color right on the edge of my lips. And then I'm going in with my Main, which is one of their liquid lipsticks. I love this formula. I really recommend it, especially if you have dry lips and you are looking for something not too dry. And there you have it. We are done. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time.